Hello, friends. Welcome back to Quick Bites, the podcast where we savor the flavors and the stories behind your favorite food. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza, and in this episode, I am diving into a festive treat that has been delighting taste buds for centuries. It's called the Holiday Stollen. Stollen, a traditional German fruit bread, has become synonymous with the holiday season. Its rich history dates back to the 15th century, when it was first crafted in Dresden, Germany. Originally baked to commemorate the Christmas season, this sweet and doughy delight has evolved into a global holiday favorite. But let me break it down for you. What makes Stollen so special? And picture this: a loaf of bread enriched with butter, sugar, and a medley of dried fruits like raisins, currants, and citrus peel. The dough is often spiced with cinnamon, nutmeg, and cardamom, creating a fragrant and a festive aroma that fills the air. One iconic feature of Stollen is the powdered sugar that blankets its surface, symbolizing the Christ child wrapped in swaddling clothes. It's a delicious representation of the joy and the sweetness of the holiday season that will bring to every one of us. But the story doesn't end there. Stollen is often laden with symbolic meaning. The addition of marzipan, a sweet almond paste, running through the center, represents the infant Jesus in the crib. And the shape of the loaf itself is said to resemble the hump of a camel, paying homage to the wise man's journey to Bethlehem. Every region and family has its unique twist and the classic Stollen recipes. Some add a splash of rum or brandy for an extra kick, while others incorporate nuts or spices for a personalized touch. Regardless of the variation, the essence remains the same: a delectable treat that brings people together during the most wonderful time of the year. And as we wrap up this Quick Bites episode, I encourage you to embrace the holiday spirit by indulging in a slice of Stollen, whether it's homemade or from your local bakery. Share the joy with family and friends, and let the centuries-old tradition of a holiday Stollen continue to warm hearts and tantalize taste buds. That's it for today here on Quick Bites. Thanks for listening. I'm Walter Potenza, and until the next time, happy holidays and happy Stollen.